Right now we are here at Niagara Falls in Canada, and we are enjoying the view. There's the zip lining right there, and we're on the second floor, so we're just having fun watching the people around us and also trying to enjoy the view of Niagara Falls. The other side is the US, and as you can see, there's so many people out there waiting for the boat, and so they're gonna have also a cruise. It's very pretty right here, and there's more people on this side. There's lots of people just walking around enjoying the great weather right now here in Niagara Falls in Canada. So I will give you more updates later on as to what's happening, because we will be here for a few hours just to enjoy and relax and also watch the fireworks that's going to happen tonight at around 10 o'clock here at Niagara Falls, and that will be spectacular. So I will show you some of the clips later on, and for now we're going to eat some ice cream and walk around to see more views and what's going on downstairs. So there's the lake, or sorry, the falls, and it's really pretty. It's right there. But the other side is the US. And there's the other one. This is the honeymoon location for the Canadians and other people who want to or just had weddings. They usually come here for honeymoon because of the great location, great people, and also the food are also great. So there you go. It's very pretty. Canadian flag is over there. We are here to enjoy the weather, the celebration of Canada Day, and